This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Nautilus Warframe. First, you'll need to complete the Call of the Tempestarii quest. This quest is crucial as it grants you the main Nautilus blueprint. After finishing the quest, you can then focus on gathering the remaining component blueprints. This initial step is vital for starting your journey to acquire this valuable sentinel. To get the chassis, systems, and neuroptics blueprints, you must undertake Void Storm missions. These specific missions are found exclusively in the Veil Proxima region of the Railjack star chart. Engage in these challenging missions, and with a bit of luck, the component blueprints will drop as rewards. Persistence is important here, as drops are not guaranteed on every run. Once you have all the blueprints, head to your foundry to begin crafting. Each component, including the chassis, systems, and neuroptics, will require specific resources and a crafting time of 12 hours. After these individual parts are ready, you can then use the main Nautilus blueprint, which takes 72 hours to assemble the complete sentinel. With all components crafted, return to your foundry to finalize the assembly of your Nautilus sentinel. This final step brings your new companion to life. Once built, you can equip it from your arsenal to benefit from its unique abilities and valuable support in missions, making it a fantastic addition to any Tenno's loadout. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals that might enhance your gaming setup or daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.